I've heard of a wedding consultant, but have you ever heard of a dating consultant? How to plan a perfect date. This is Dr. Paul, author of Boomer Girls, A Boomer Woman's Guide to Men and Dating, and host of Ask Dr. Paul. Look, if you're planning a perfect date and you're a female, then you find out what the male likes to do and what you like to do together. And the reverse is true. If you're a male, find out what the female likes to do and plan accordingly. But you might be a little bit surprised at your own reaction when you go to something like in your supplement, in your newspaper, they probably have something called a weekender. So you go there and, wow, guess what? There is a concert in town, and it's in the park, and it's jazz. And you say, you know, I think that could be a perfect date. We'll meet, have a bite, and then we'll go to the park with the date and have a perfect evening. The only way that it's going to be perfect is if you are the person that comes across as being perfect. Not perfect in terms of everything is right, but perfect in terms of what that other person would like to have as an evening, and you as an evening. So if you plan on a date and you want to make it a perfect date, get some feedback from the person that you're going to go with, because perfect, like beauty, is in the eye of the beholder. This is Dr. Paul. May your fantasies of today be your realities of tomorrow.